Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial from Timmy the Creator, and in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can achieve this type of Kaftan top render on CLO3D. But before we continue, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and also on the notification bell to get more tutorial from Timmy the Creator. So the first thing you need is a mannequin in your scene, something that looks like this with a broad chest. Probably you might be able to see something like this or on CG Trader or Sketchfab. Then you need to import your or open your project file into this particular project. So I'm going to be using this particular one here. Let me use this to practice, and I'm going to select open. I'm going to select add. I'm going to uncheck the avatar and I'm going to select OK. So we have this here. So the next thing I'm going to do is to let me select all the fabric and just place this properly on the mannequin. Another important thing is the kind of fabric you are using or you are going to use. So let me just place it like this. So I'm going to go to my fabric because I want to assign this to a fabric I want to use that will properly fit on the avatar. So I'm going to go to fabric. I'm going to search for wool melting. I'm going to drag this and probably anyway drop it here. It's fine, and just exit this. So they are all selected. I'm going to assign them to this single fabric, and I can just switch color to white. Where is switch color coming? Okay, let me select the fabric itself. So I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to click on switch color, then change to white. Then I'm going to click on spacebar. Yeah, you can see this. So we have something like this. And the next thing I'm going to do is to stop my simulation, and I'm just going to stretch this kaftan top to look longer a bit. So let me just pull this down, the two of them. Yes, I think this is fine. I think this is too much, but let me just simulate. So we have something like this, and okay, so I'm going to stop my simulation. So let's focus on the important part. So the next thing I'm going to do is to add the gator line. So I'm going to select G on my keyboard, select from this let's select from this top part. Come on. Let's make sure I'm clicking on the line. Sorry. I don't know why it's not picking up from here. Okay, good. So I'm going to zoom backward. I'm going to pull down and bring this down. Scroll back, bring this down, and double click. So we're going to have something like this. So I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to select this, click on the line here. Let me zoom closer to click on one of the lines here. So I'm going to scroll down, scroll back, and double click, and then we have something like this. So okay, let me select this, and select this. So I'm going to scroll down and change the shrinkage wave to probably let's say 95. I'm going to simulate. I want it to look fitted on the mannequin. Yeah, something like this, because it's looking baggy a bit. So I think I have something like this. So on this thing, on the sleeves, that's the long sleeve, I'm going to select G. I'm going to click on this top line. I could use I could use the trace tool for this. So if you can use the trace tool for this, but let me just use this other way. Okay, and double click. So I think you should have it at both sides if I'm right. Something like this here. Yes. So I'm going to come to this point here. Let me see if I'll get this point. So yeah. So this is the dot here. So I'm going to select G. I'll probably start from somewhere here and double click. Double click. Good. Let me see if it's in line with this. Okay. We need to make sure that it is positioned to this internal line we drew. So I'm going to select Z. Okay, yes, click on the line and drag it a bit. Oh, it's too much. Coming. Why is it moving forward too much? Yeah. Okay, this is good. So now this is what I'm going to. I'm going to select Z, select all this internal line. I'm coming. Select this and select this one. Yes, and I'm going to go to fold angle, drag it to 0 and turn on fold rendering. So I'm going to do the same thing to the one in front. I'm going to select one of the line, anyone, and drag it to 0 and select fold rendering. This one is going to be 360 and fold rendering. So let's simulate. So I'm just going to make sure, yes, so we need something like this exactly. So can just, you need to do a lot of simulation to make it look perfect and look good on your outfit. So okay, so that's, we are good to go. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is now bringing this sleeve to pin it on the body of the kaftan. Let me see. So so this is how to do it now. So let me see, we are still on simulation. It's still, my simulation is still turned on, so I will show you what to do. It's quite tricky. I'm trying to pick on the gator side so that it will look smooth. I don't know, so I can get a very smooth result. So then I'm going to stop my simulation immediately. I release my mouse. Good, you can see. So after doing this, I'm going to go to the tacking tool. I'm going to click on this, then we are going to uh, click on this point. I'm going to put it towards the garment here. Then after doing that, I'm going to select Q, select the body, right click and freeze. You get it? And I'm going to simulate. Yeah, this is not perfect yet because the goal is to make sure that this particular point of the pin is in line. So I'm going to pull. You have to keep pulling and keep pulling. Yes. Sometimes you might need to adjust. Make sure your tacking is close to the point here. See, it's close to this point. So I can just select this edit tacking tool and adjust this tacking line close to this point. Yes, let me see if this is good enough. Yeah, let's simulate. I'm going to click on this and simulate. Is it good enough? Let's see. Yes, you can see sharp. This is what I want. So you can see that it's now in line with this, and we have a very smooth one. So you might just, sometimes this part you might need to pull it from outside the air. I don't know if you get what I'm saying. So if you feel like that place is looking crowded, you can pull from inside to outside. Yes, let me see. Yeah, something like this. Good. So sharp. So we need to do this to the other side. This other side is the one that is even complicated because it's very stubborn. But then I will do it. Let me see. Because I also need to pick the coming. So let's do the same thing here. Going to pick this side. Sorry. So, and as you can see again, my particle distance is quite high. My particle distance is 15, and that's why my simulation is quite that's why I can easily drag the cloth without lagging. It's very, very important. So you don't need to reduce the particle distance. If you've achieved the result you want, then you can now reduce the particle distance. So let me try tacking first. So this thing is stubborn, so I'm going to drag from here to, let me see, oh sorry, it's too far. So to this side, and let's say it looks like it doesn't look good. We have to redo it again. Yes, most time very stubborn. So I will just probably need to like pull and pull and pull and pull and pull and pull and pull. Yes, just drag good. Okay. Okay, this is good. So yeah, we also need to make the other side smooth too. I don't know why. Let me see this. This is supposed to not be complicated like this. Coming. So good, good. So you just need to do a lot of adjustments to make your results look good. So that's a lot of simulation adjustment. So I just try to make it, yes, good. I think this is better. Yeah, so we have something as sharp as this. You can see this sharp as this, and you can still come inside to pull outside. Yes, this is good. So just take your time, and I think this is fine. Yes. So now we're not done yet. So I'm going to select Q, select this front part, right click, and on strengthen. So sometimes you might need to adjust. Let me see if the front part is not looking squeezed first. So let me see. I thought I just unfreeze now. So unfreeze, yes. On strengthen. Oh, I made that mistake. On strengthen too. So simulate. Okay, so this part is very important. You can see it's not looking good. So I'm going to go to this part. So let me zoom backward. I don't even know why this is small. Yeah, can just please. Yes, good. So I'm going to select stop my simulation first. Then we are going to select the stacking tool. We're going to adjust the stacking line above a bit. Adjust it above a bit. We're going to move this one too and adjust it. I'm going to look in line with, let's see. Let me simulate. Yeah. Okay. Well, in situations like this, we can also reduce the what do you call it? I'm coming. We select this, select A, select everything. Maybe we are going to reduce the shrinkage warp to, let's say, 95. No, 95. I think we crash. 5 then simulate. Good. 95. So I think this is better. Okay, and you can just try to adjust and adjust to make it look good. So this is neat. This is neat. So you can see how smooth it is. So from here you can now decide to let me see. So from here you can now decide to maybe reduce the particle distance. If you don't want too much of food around here, that means you probably need to bring this the tacking line down a bit, just a little, but then this is okay too. So you can, if you can go with this is fine. And let's reduce the particle distance, Control A, and reduce the, oh, let me stop my simulation. Reduce particle distance to probably, like, let me use 7. I don't want to use too much. So you can reduce yours to 5. I'm going to stop my simulation. So I'm going to start simulation. So we have something like this. So that's just how you can achieve that kind of render on CLO3D. So just take your time to make sure you perfect the edge, the you can see the smoothness, everything. So just take your time and add your gator line, and that's just how you can achieve that kind of render on CLO3D. So thank you for watching this tutorial from Timmy the Creator. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Also, you can shop on my fourth wall to purchase my Agbada Kaftan course, or purchase mockup or template design for kaftans and Agbada and filat. So thank you once again for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and also on the notification bell to get more tutorial from Timmy the Creator.